120, maintain at about 2,000 till 7. Good RNAV runway 5 approach.
What does the packet say the ground freak is?
Let's see here.
November 0 Kilo Quebec, turn 10 degrees left.
126.075.
20 Kilo Quebec.
Just in case I'll have this out, but I doubt we'll use it.
Yeah. We're just gonna make sure once we're on the ground we're doing the right stuff.
Correction, November 800, Charlie Echo, Tampa approach, Roger. You can expect the Tampa altimeter 3000.
I assume the exit will be the same because we're landing on 28, so we probably all the way to the end of the runway to taxiway Papa.
November 873, Echo Fox, report cancellation in the air. This frequency on the ground with flight services.
I'll pull
Change
that
to
out as soon as we
advisories
land.
approved.
Gotcha.
So what I'll do as a reminder too.
November 0 Kilo Quebec, do you send to maintain 3000?
Oh, you printed too? Okay.
Maintain 3000, 120 Kilo Quebec.
Overachiever over here.
Just in case.
7 Lima Charlie, fighting 140, expect vectors to final.
140, vectors to final.
7 Lima Charlie, change my frequency 120.65. November 787 Lima Charlie, change my frequency 120.65. November 0 Kilo Quebec, fly heading 100.
100 for 120 Kilo Quebec.
So anybody that's following along with us that intends to ever shoot IFR approaches into this, for us, we're coming from the north. We're headed to a waypoint called Varzi, and then we directly enter, I guess what we're doing the RNAV for 28, right?
Yeah, either they'll vector us or they'll send us probably direct Condi or glide to do the RNAV. I imagine probably.
Sure, 7 Lima Charlie, descend to maintain 2,300, change my frequency 120.65.
2,300, 120.65.
Yep. 7 Lima Charlie, thanks.
Tampa approach, Traveler 333, Julia Golf 5000.
Player 333 Julia Golf, Tampa, roger. Tampa altimeter 3000.
30003 Julia Golf.
Kodiak 0 Kilo Quebec, maintain 3000.
Maintain 3000, 120 Kilo Quebec.
787 Lima Charlie, 4 miles from the final approach, fix. Turn left heading 080, maintain at or above 2,300 until established cleared RNAV runway 5 approach. 7 Lima Charlie, turn left heading 070 now, maintain at or above 2,300 until established cleared approach. 2 Bravo Lima, descend to maintain 3000.
3000, we have a Yankee at Lakeland.
November 7 Lima Charlie, contact Bartow Tower 121.2. November 0 Kilo Quebec, flighting 180.
120 Kilo Quebec.
November Tree Julia Golf, squawk 1410, descend to maintain 4,000.
I'm sorry, that got blocked. Say again for 3 Julia Golf.
3 Julia Golf, squawk 1410, descend to maintain 4,000.
Slow it down, slow it down.
1410 and down to 4,000, 3 Julia Golf.
Doing the descent checklist real quick.
November 0 Kilo
Right,
Quebec, continue right turn, heading 240 for the final approach, going off over for you in a moment.
300. 300.
Tom Nav
And
FMS.
understand 240 for 120 Kilo Quebec,
good.
and then you were blocked.
As well, backrest good. Parking brake.
And who's that checking in?
120 Kilo Quebec, I got 240 on the heading, then you were blocked.
Here, warning light.
0 Kilo Quebec, I'll lower for here in a moment.
Thank you.
Lights on, left and right engine fires, good.
Right, landing light on.
Skylane 94531, 4,000,
We're clear to land.
media.
94531, Tampa approach, Tampa altimeter 3000, descend to maintain 3000. 4 miles from the final approach, fix, cleared RNAV runway 2 at approach. Kodiak 0 Kilo Quebec, cleared RNAV runway 2 at approach.
120 Kilo Quebec, cleared 28 RNAV approach.
0 Charlie Echo, descend to maintain 3000. November 94531, descend to maintain 3000.
Down to 3,000, 94531.
November 2 Bravo Lima, turn left, heading 090.
0902, Bravo Lima.
Like you knew it.
November 0 Kilo Quebec, contact Lakeland Tower 124.5.
124.5, 0 Kilo Quebec.
3266 on the same approach request.
60 there.
66 Echo, roger. You want the RNAV 5? 66 Echo, fly heading of 300, vector final approach course.
Above is kind of fine.
Yeah, the worst is IFR flying with no clouds.
Right.
Good depth to the sky.
94531 advised with the weather at Tampa Executive and approach request.
Yep, we're looking for the R9 for 5 and we'll advise on the weather 94531.
About to count for my currency.
3 Juliet Golf, say approach request in the Winter Haven. Number 333 Juliet Golf, say approach request in Winter Haven.
I'm going to need the VOR Alpha at Winter Haven for 3 Juliet Golf.
3 Juliet Golf, roger.
So that's the lake we were supposed to be doing laps around.
That Parker?
Yeah.
Sure.
The arrival would be coming this way and then following the highway and heading in that direction. So you can see, I think you can see the highway down there.
Tower should be down there.
5768
Should be
Bravo,
off the
Tampa.
right of ways.
Yeah.
November 68 Bravo, Tampa.
Need that.
Main thing I'm confused about is what frequencies are on. I guess just normal.
Turn 800 Charlie Echo, turn left heading 250 to the final approach course.
Yeah, I don't know why they would modify an IFR approach.
GPS approach is used, arriving at
Bravo,
departing runway
6006, maintain VFR.
and runway 28 right is unavailable for arrivals and departure and is designated taxiway Alpha. Runway 523 is closed. All taxiway.
Other Mooney calling, I'll get back to you in a moment.
Left are designated.
Mooney 5768 Bravo, you're in a contact 8 miles to the northwest of the Lakeland Airport. And you are clear from Sierra Papa Alpha Airport via radar vector show Ocala, direct, fly present heading. Turn left heading 350 on the maintain 4,000,
550 observation. Wind 330 at 8. Visibility 10. Ceiling 1,200 broken. Temperature 21, dew point 19er. Altimeter 30.
800 Charlie Echo, 5 miles from EQ.
Approach is
About 2,000 establish on the approach procedure. Cleared on down runway 28 approach.
Runway 28 right is unavailable for arrivals and departure.
Yeah. I didn't say anything about the frequencies. I think I'm probably just going to go with standard unless I'm told otherwise.
Number 68 Bravo, turn left heading 330.
I don't know. We'll do whatever they tell us. I'll load with something.
Number 94531, it'll be a couple minutes.
That's usually the best advice.
Sequence about 15, 20 miles out.
Alright, 94531.
40 Charlie Echo, contact Lakeland Tower 124.5.
Lakeland Tower
Approach 94531, you want is still direct VDF?
94531 affirmative. 94531, the plan is basically going to take up there for a downwind.
One more time, sorry, I got the weather in the background.
Number 94531, plan to go up there for like a downwind.
Alright, we'll plan to go there for a downwind 94531.
November 22 Bravo Lima, flighting 180.
180, 420 Bravo Lima.
So they basically sent us to Condi without actually sending us to Condi.
Like a makeshift version.
Right, yeah, we're going to be just shy of it.
And who's trying to cancel?
Skylark 6955 Echoes, checking in with you 2,000 feet.
Pin vectors, I'm going to go ahead and activate vectors. We're in heading mode, so that's not going to be a problem.
Love these clouds, man.
It's beautiful.
Tampa approach, Skylark 6955 Echoes, 2,000.
Alright, 6955 Echo, Tampa, altimeter 29er.
2,999, 6955 Echo.
Alright, this checklist is
Approach
complete.
94531 has the weather at Camp Executive.
One more gear test. Good.
Direct Lakeland VOR, hold as published, maintain 4,000.
Okay, direct to Lakeland VOR, hold as published, maintain 4,000, 3 Juliet Golf.
Well, one thing I noticed about this IFR approach, it's rendered me useless. I don't have the traffic spotting, I don't have to find any locations. This is...
Yeah, it's all good.
Thank you.
897, copy the first one.
119.65 at 0897.
1. 94531, 1 Lima, 5 miles from the final approach fix. Turn left heading 350 on the maintain 4,000.
415.
94531, 1 Lima, 5 miles from the final approach fix. 94531, 1 Lima, 5 miles from the final approach fix. 94531, 1 Lima, 5 miles from the final approach fix. 94531, 1 Lima, 5 miles from the final approach fix. 94531, 1 Lima, 5 miles from the final approach fix. 94531, 1 Lima, 5 miles from the final approach fix. 94531, 1 Lima, 5 miles from the final approach fix. 94531, 1 Lima, 5 miles from the final approach fix. 94531, 1 Lima, 5 miles from the final approach fix. 94531, 1 Lima, 5 miles from the final approach fix. 94531, 1 Lima, 5 miles from the final approach fix. 94531, 1 Lima, 5 miles from the final approach fix Line 94531 to left heading 270.
Left 270, 94531.
So 16 Delta Tango Tampa approach, Tampa altimeter 29er.
Should be turning us soon.
Diamond Star 2 Bravo Lima, turn right in 250, you're 6 from ECADE, maintain above 2000 until established, cleared RNAV runway 28 approach.
250 at or above 2000 until established, cleared for the RNAV 28 approach, 422 Bravo Lima. Clear for the approach.
November 3266, 3.5 to the final approach, turn right, heading 030, maintain 2300 until established, cleared RNAV runway 5 approach.
Yeah, that was a tight turn.
It's a sun and fun turn.
Alright.
If you're doing this VFR, like, they always keep those turns, like, the bases are really tight.
Good, started 30, final approach, beach, contact late from tower, 124.5.
124.5, reducing speed, 422 Bravo Lima. Lakeland Tower, 422 Bravo Lima, 4 miles from ECADE.
Diamond 422 Bravo Lima, Lakeland Tower, report ECADE, how you doing?
What do you say?
I
Diamond 422 Bravo Lima, Lakeland Tower, report ECADE, how you doing?
Like Dallas, no,
He said, how you doing?
Short of 28 left, echo ready for departure.
There's some you can't understand them.
213 Golf, Lakeland Tower, runway 28 left, turn right on course, clear for takeoff.
28 left, right on course, clear for takeoff, 213 Golf.
So on approach speed, go ahead and drop the gear. Help us slow down, about to capture the glide path anyways, so that's what we want. Shoot at 110.
Visual confirmation that nose gear is down. We don't need the others.
Good, 3 green. As long as the nose is up, the props will be alright.
You got a skid plate, right?
2 miles, we'll drop the first notch in. There's the glide path. A nice little right crosswind. Keeping 110 coming down the approach.
800 Charlie Echo, disregard.
Okay, 0 Charlie.
Lakeland Tower, Decathlon 5503 Alpha, 12 north, 2000, inbound Lakeland.
Decathlon 5503 Alpha, Lakeland Tower, good morning, report midfield, right downwind, runway 28 left.
Release, gears down.
Midfield, we come over the blue building, right?
800 Charlie Echo, you going to the show?
Yeah, plenty of fun.
Clouds away, Charlie Echo.
Charlie, we go left on Fox right here, right?
If you're going to the show, yeah, left on Foxtrot, Southern Fun Advisory 12607.
2607.
12607 and left on Foxtrot, 0 Charlie Echo.
Decathlon 03 Alpha, squawk ident.
03 Alpha, did you get us?
38 Golf, traffic's about a mile northeast of you there, entering the downwind 200 feet below you.
Got that traffic inside for 213 Golf.
03 Alpha, you say you're 10 miles out?
03 Alpha, 10 miles north at 2000.
Okay, your transponder appears working okay, but I'm not getting the ident all right. You're really about 15 miles north, report midfield, right downwind, runway 28 left, the big runway.
I'll try ident again.
Oh, I see you there, you're fine. Just report midfield, right downwind.
Midfield right downwind, 03 Alpha, thank you.
Wind Star 2, or Diamond Star 2, Bravo Lima, clear to land.
Clear to land, 2 Bravo Lima.
That's all we're waiting for.
Tower 362 Bravo Lima, midfield right downwind for 28.
Oh, there's the other Bravo
That's
Lima.
the 2 Bravo Lima, you're following the Twin Star on a mile, final ahead and to your right, report the traffic in sight.
Yeah, we got the field in
Down
sight.
inside 2 Bravo Lima.
Continue below
2 Bravo Lima, number 2, runway 28 left, clear to land.
Number 2, 28 left, clear to land, 2 Bravo Lima.
Slow it down. Full flap.
Twin Tower, Lake 16 Delta Tango, Gildy, inbound.
Disconnecting.
Lake 16 Delta Tango, Lakeland Tower, report ECADE.
Delta Tango.
A little quick, it's okay. Whole lot of left rudder.
I'll put the sign up once you get off on the
2 Bravo Lima, you going to the show?
Affirm, 2 Bravo Lima.
2 Bravo Lima, turn left at Foxtrot. Contact Sun Front Advisory 126.07.
Left at Fox, Sun Front Advisory 126.07, 42 Bravo Lima.
Have a great week.
Thank you, sir.
This looks like Foxtrot. Bring these up. These off. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on the dash, especially on the left side. Flaps off, pumps off, lights
Yes, I'll
off.
make a right turn at Bravo.
Advisory 422 is clear at Foxtrot.
Roger, you understand you're going to exhibitors?
Affirm, Diamond Booth.
422, make a left turn at Bravo. Correct, a left turn at Delta and expect a right turn at Bravo.
Left Delta, expect right Bravo 422.
Get some air in here.
It's so dead here. This is so crazy.
I know, it's weird.
To taxi straight ahead, at the end there'll be an X marked on the what used to be a taxiway. You'll make a right turn at that former taxiway and taxi westbound through the gate.
Straight ahead to the X and right turn to the gate, 422 Bravo Lima.
What are y'all doing? Get in the fence.
This is Florida, bro.
Guess we pull up
Not
here and
bad.
shut down.
Yeah, up there where that plane is.
Yeah.
Guarantee that's what's gonna pull us through, but I don't. We'll see.
Well, stop here, shut her down, checklist.
Yep. Alright, parking check. Or you want to just do it?
Can I get a picture of the times?
Sure will.
Damn, Armada golf carts. Gas engine, avionics master off.